That's the kind of fish I'm talking about. Nice. It's like a little floating bar. Do it go out? Oh, yeah, probably so. Yeah, they go out. So we just walking the Clearwater little, what you call this thing? The marina. Yeah, the marina. Duh. We went up and made our reservations for the Dolphin tour. So we're going to do that at 2. Me and Cleveland just walked up here. I got us City Pass tickets. And City Pass, if you don't know, is where you can go to different attractions for one price. It's the Tampa City Pass. So tomorrow we're gonna go to Busch Gardens. We're just gonna go and check it out. Ooh, it's nice, it's big. Yeah, we're just gonna go and check it out. You know, I really didn't care to go to an amusement park, but since it was included in the City Pass, so the boat that we're going on to see the dolphins was also included in the City Pass. The Clearwater, and I'm holding my camera because my crazy self, are you about to turn back around? Left a memory card at home. So that's why I'm just walking. Yeah, because it's really useless.
Which part you put it in?
Which one you want me to put it in?
The one that don't have a firearm in it.
Oh, so
this the fire is the little one.
Yeah, I'll put it in the big one.
Yeah, just open up a super big one.
The Clearwater Aquarium is over there. The Dolphin from the Dolphin Tale movie is over there. I think it's like 2 other things that we can do, but we probably won't do it. I really didn't care to do. He didn't fillet the fish up. They waiting. Is he feeding them? Oh, he feeding them to him. Look at him. Oh, dang. And y'all remember when we got on the pirate ship the last time we were here. So that's all these folks are waiting on. Got the little kids dressed up in the pirate.
Did you get out the adult?
Yeah, so that's what we got on the last time we were here, and it was really fun. Y'all, we screwed. It's pouring up there, as you can see. And look over there, y'all. We gotta make it over there. We going to the Starbucks. We ain't about to play this right. Oh man. It's like this is fun. I got old doggone flip flops. You know it's hard to run in flip flops. This is fun. It's like I keep looking back like I'm coming. It's hard to run in these flip flops. Yeah. Oh goodness. Kids didn't call and check on us. They seen that it was pouring out here and they know we walked. Nobody called. Javonne was out there fishing when we left. Ain't nobody called. Wasn't nobody go call and check on us or nothing. Wasn't go call and check on us or nothing. You know we walked. You know it was pouring down storming. Oh, you thought we drove? Yeah. You want to go call and check on us or nothing, Pooh?
You want to see? Look, I already put in a jellyfish.
Oh.
But it was like a clear jellyfish, but still. What's this all about? And it looked, hold on. Where's that? It's like a striped fish. Well, I don't know what those things are.
Ooh.
Those are weird. That's a jelly. Oh yeah. Those are the fish that I want to catch for real.
Like yeah, they a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Can I have some?
No, you ain't getting nothing. Go on somewhere. You ain't getting nothing. You ain't even call and check. You ain't called and check to see was we okay. You ain't know we walked.
No.
Yeah, whatever. Not nobody don't know we walked. You want to go call and check on us to make sure we was good out here in the storm?
You know y'all was in the rain.
Sure. Ooh. I need to go fix that ASAP. Oh, I thought you was Jay. But yeah, we gotta leave here at 1:30. Hopefully the rain be done stop. Oh yeah, we gotta leave here at like 1:15. Yep, and it's 12:30 now, so we ain't got long. Who watching this? His voice, I can't. I remember Daisy used to watch this all the time when she was little. What's his name? Yeah, I can't. So they canceled our 2 o'clock. They said a storm was rolling in and
the Dolphin did.
the Dolphin date. You act like it's one dolphin that we're going to see out there.
That's the real reason.
So he moved. He moved it to 4:30. So we're gonna walk across the way over here.
Javonne, watch out.
So we're gonna walk across the way over here to the aquarium.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Alright, so we're done. It was pretty quick. I definitely wouldn't pay the full price. I think it's $24 a person, but like I said, this was included in the city pass, so I wouldn't pay that until they finish the construction, because a lot of the exhibits are closed. See, and they're gonna expand with new exhibits. So we're about to head back. It is 2:30, so we're good on time, but the thing is, it's raining, sprinkling a little bit. And that's a little hike back. I think it took about 15-20 minutes for us to walk here, and it's starting to rain. So Cleveland looking up to see how we get on the trolley. Yeah, we on the trolley, y'all. I swear we just got out here, so we ain't even have to wait. Yeah, Cleveland was like, let's go. It was perfect timing. Daniel Tiger. The trolley.
Talking about that trolley.
It's free too.
We came just in time. We only waited like 2 seconds.
Literally. I'm gonna get something from this Cousin's Maine Lobster. So it's as seen on Shark Tank. I'm just about to get some lobster tater tots. These right here. Oh, lobster tots. And they got the rolls. Lobster tacos. It's got a lot of chunky chunks of lobster meat.
This thing is
Tater tots.
Get your group and find out your name and get on the boat here.
Looks like we're about to go to the end of the earth. They're just chilling right here in the food boat.
Construction from 35 million to over 90 million.
Dolphin. Where they at? Tiki bar zooming. We didn't see any dolphins, but we do get a return trip for free. So the next time we come here, we get to come on here for free, which is cool. I mean, we still have fun. It's a pirate ship. They about to go out. Look at Deja. What is that?
She's my BFF. So they voted you off.
Look how saggy the back is. Turn around, Deja.
He explained it.
Look at where is our booty? Shark boy and lava girl. Cleveland just went to go pick up our pizza. I don't know if it's raining up there, but you can see that wind.
Freezing because it was raining and then the wind too.
Why y'all ain't watching Goosebumps though? I thought y'all was watching Goosebumps. You told him to turn? I don't know why y'all be listening to Jay, because he ain't gonna stay down there. He gonna leave. So Why you listening to Jay? We washing up our clothes now, so we don't go back with any dirty clothes. Cause why? When it's a whole washer and dryer here. So this one is just a cheese pizza. I got a white pizza, which is ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and look like that's it. Then I just got a pepperoni pizza, some mozzarella cheese stick. Oh, he got a jalapenos, Deja on it. On the side, but mozzarella cheese sticks and some garlic nuts. And then this is a supreme pizza. Y'all, it's 11 o'clock at night. Niyah and Cleveland down there fishing. Niyah just caught a catfish. Let me see, P.O. Back up.
Oh, back up. I'm trying to show her.
Okay, stay right there. Don't back up no more. Yeah, I got it. Good job.
Big boy.
They've been on this pier right here fishing for like 2 hours.
And I put the shrimp on, didn't I?
Huh?
I put the shrimp on. He casted it though, so it could go far. I
Oh.
really can't throw that far. Especially since it's dark. I don't want to like cross it.
It's a little breezy out here. Kind of chilly. A little muggy at the same time, if that makes sense. You done for the night, P.O? Yeah. You have to change out of those pajamas. Cleveland's still over there. He brought it. Cleveland's still over there. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see him, but he right up in there.